Hi guys. Okay, so today we are going to be making slime. I have one different kind of slime and two of the same. So this one is glue slime. I just made this one like, I don't know, a few minutes ago. This one I made yesterday, and it is a little bit harder than this one because it is a little bit older. But this one is birthday cake because it looks like birthday cake. This one is like just purple. This is putty slime because I used this extra strong formula glue. If you wanted to make putty, it is very hard to stretch, and it is more like silly putty and it is bouncier. So we are not going to be making that one today. We are going to be making this kind because this is, of course, the original slime. So you will need a bowl. Any bowl will work. You will need 1 tablespoon and 1 spoon. I'm going to be making yellow slime today, and you need school glue and liquid starch. It doesn't matter if it's this brand, but you need liquid starch. So first, I'm going to pour all of my school glue into my bowl, and it takes a very long time to get it into the bowl, so it might be here for a while. And of course, it looks like it's a small batch because of the white bowl, but this is how it turns out to be, that much. So it does come to be a lot, so just don't make fun of the size of it right now. Still coming. All right, well, I'm gonna stop right there because I don't want my video to cut out. And then I'm going to add 1 drop of yellow. If you do need 2, if you want it to be darker, then you can add 2, but I'm going to add 1 for right now. This actually might be orange, I don't know. But it's yellow. Okay, so I'm going to mix that in. I might add 1 more, I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to add 1 more, and this does look like orange, but it is not orange. I'm going to add 1 more. Okay, so once you mix that all in, then you are going to add 1 tablespoon at a time of this, but I'm going to add 1 more of these because I like dark yellow, not light yellow. Well, I like both yellows, but okay, so once you have your glue and your slime, once you have your glue and your color mixed in, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your liquid starch. And it will become thicker, and it will stick to the spoon. Do not put your hands in it. I am warning you, do not, because it is a nightmare to get off of your hands. All right, so once you have that mixed in, then you will want to add 1 more. I would say about maybe 2 or 3 of these, and then you will add a few halves, until it becomes like substantial. So I added another one, and it is already coming together, and you want it to come off the bowl, or off the sides of the bowl completely, and it is not doing that yet, but then you will want to add a half, like that much. Then you will add that in, and it will start coming together more. And once you add 1 more, I would say maybe this time, but once you add 1 more, you might want to start using your hands because it does get a nightmare to get off the spoon too. So, and it starts sticking to the spoon, and it is not even bearable. Okay, so after, I'm going to mix this with my hands, but first I'm going to take that off the spoon, and it will stick to your hands a little bit. Actually, yeah, it will stick to your hands a little bit at first, but it will become more substantial after you start mixing it a little bit more. So I'm going to mix it in the bowl like this with my hands, and it is becoming more like slime. A lot more like slime, actually. All right, I might need 1 more, and my hands are not free, so Mom, could you add 1 more, please? Thanks. Thanks. And just add it to my hands. Thanks. I was actually saying a half, but okay. So now it is not coming off my hands, but it is coming together and it is kind of coming off my hands. So I will be able to wipe it off my hands once this is slime. But it is coming together. If my video cuts out, just know to keep mixing it until it comes like those. But like that. Mom, I think you might have added too much. I don't know. I think it might come together. Yeah, it is coming together. So, Mom, you did a great job. Yay! Okay, so now I am mixing it and it is coming together, but is a little bit thicker than I thought it would be. Okay, so actually it is getting perfect, but I have Easter eggs here. But I don't know if it is exactly like that. I think it might be like the putty more. I don't know, but this is my slime, and this should be what your slime looks like, and it should be able to come right off your hands if you just rub it like that, right off your hands. And then for the poking test, which is my favorite part, you put it on the counter and just start poking it, and you should be able to hear it, and you could twist it around your hand. And what I like doing the most is pressing it on the table, getting it back out and going like that, and then going like that. So anyways, this should be your slime. It should be someone like this. Do not make it like this. If it is like this, rewind the video and see what you did wrong. But this is actually perfect slime. Anyways, I hope your slime turned out like this. Bye!